When people are asking ChatGPT and Gemini and other AI tools for who is the best business to solve their problem or where to find the best solutions for their needs, ChatGPT, that searches Bing. Obviously, Gemini is relying on Google search. And so you've got to make sure that you have a strong presence in both of those, not just focusing on Google. But also, what it does is it will look at the websites that come up, but then also it will reference review sites and directory listings to not just see what you say about yourself on your website, but it's also going to look at social media, places like Reddit, stuff like that, and see what other people are saying about your business. And so if other people are recommending your business or saying certain things about the type of service you provide and how you provide that service, because that's the other thing that people might be asking. They're not just looking for who does these sort of things. Who is a plumber who specializes in hot water services? Or, they will be looking in a local area probably, but they will be asking for specific things that meet their needs. So you've got to make sure that you're crystal clear on who you serve and what you do well, and describe your service and what makes your service good and better than other competition, what you specialize in, talk about the sort of work that you actually want to get a lot more of, and then make sure that that is clear, not just on your website, but on your social profiles, on directory listings, on any other industry websites that you can claim, review sites, things like that. Also, be public in solving people's problems. So think about or try and find where people are asking questions or having conversations on key topics that are key to your service. Find those conversations on LinkedIn, on Reddit, on public Facebook pages, and engage and help and solve people's problems. That will also be noticed and picked up occasionally by AI tools and will help to build your credibility and authority in that market.